Traffic regulation, traffic the red light, traffic light or fragile component defined by traffic, but recognizing opposing the traffic light is reversing the phrase screens as the type of thing that is most often done by mobile physical user. Bank roads are not saying the light have changed color and some of the direction that are often ejected from the offender. Junior U.S. helmet. Law No. 22 of 2009 concerning road traffic and transportation already exists regarding Indonesia national standard helmet riders in factual. The law also clearly stated, however, in practice these rules are often ignored. At first, there are reluctant to ask helmet.
Number 3. Do not turn on the vehicle lights. Headlights of motor vehicles are used at night and daytime. Violation often occur must need to be done during the day. The low level of discipline of road user may be the special socialization for light during the day can be the cause of this rule is often violated. Number 4. Not carrying a driving license. Many of them do not have a SIM because they are not old enough, but force themselves to ride a motorcycle. This can help the safety of yourself and others.
5. Against the flow or contraflow. The case of an accident on the non-toll overpass of Kampung Melayu Tanah Abang occurred on January 27, 2014. Didn't make other motorcyclists at the time. Motorcycle was desperate to gain the flow because of avoiding rates. Delays stopped due to bonds due. At some other point, a road in the capital, this desperate are also took place. 6. Breaking the traffic sign. Violation of traffic sign after occur. Parking under the sign prohibited parking. Stop in front of the sign prohibition has become a frequent activity.
7. Breakdown the busway line. The rise of accidents due to the reckless action of drivers entering the busway line also does not make other motorists deterrent. As soon as the wording of the officer loosens, this disciplinary action will repeat itself. The reason to break talk the traffic is to replace the violated one. 8. Use of vehicle not pay attention to the safety aspect. Riding a motorcycle with more weight is also included in this category. Many accidents because drivers force their vehicles crammed with a number of passengers who do not match capacity.
Do not use mirror. The purpose of consciousness using the rear view mirror while driving is avoided. While the rear view mirror can help the driver to ensure that the current conducive to buying a vehicle. This is also useful to minimize the use of accidents. Number 10. The sidewalk. The sidewalk should be a place for pedestrians, but in place, pedestrians are also sensed by modern techniques without feeling guilty. They drive their vehicle onto base with the excuse of avoiding traffic.
Of violation, technical completeness, review mirror red light, penalty 250,000 Indonesian rupiah, traffic sign fine 500,000 Indonesian rupiah, cannot show STNK penalty 500,000 Indonesian rupiah, cannot show SIM fine 250,000 Indonesian rupiah, not having a SIM license fine 1 million Indonesian rupiah. The man like does not like during the day a fine 100,000 Indonesian rupiah, not wearing a standard helmet fine 250,000 Indonesian rupiah, driving without concentration, use handphone, fine 50,000 Indonesian rupiah. These are 5 efforts to overcome traffic violation that the government must do. Secondly, representative effort to overcome traffic violation. sanction in the form of an obligation to be present of court, enforce ticketing, strengthening as an effort to overcome traffic violation, surveillance via CCTV.